Hello everyone and welcome to Driver's Therapy. You see this hat? Elise got it for me for my birthday, so this is awesome. Look at this. I gotta show it before we start the video. Oh man, you're gonna see a lot of this. This is awesome. I love hats. All right guys, in this video, we're gonna be showing you the top 5 inspections you wanna use a Borescope for on your NSX. So I originally bought this to do the butterfly screw inspection. We made a video and that's a really good and important video for the NSX community. But I was thinking there's so much cool stuff you could use this tool with, so that's what we're gonna show you. So let's go ahead and get started with the top 5 inspections you wanna do on your NSX with the Borescope. So one of the first inspections I'm going to recommend is the crankshaft pulley. If you're not aware, it can separate, and that's why that Cedar Ridge fabrication shop makes a bracket for it. But with this little handheld Borescope, we could take a look at it real quickly and make sure that there's no separation. So when I bought the car, it came with Samco hoses, and if you follow this right here, I don't know if you guys, give me a second, you see that kind of the coolant right there? So essentially, I've got to replace these hoses because there's just a slight leak around them. But this is really nice because it helps me inspect the hoses and make sure that they are attached correctly. If you guys notice, I have 2 clamps. It's because the original clamp wasn't working with the Samco hoses when I got it. So I put these worm type clamps, I know they're not the best, to tighten them down. And they've been working overall, but it looks like that one is leaking a little bit. So I want to look underneath those hoses, and what I like about this is that you could just bend it. So I've made a little hook, and what I want to do is I want to get underneath these hoses and look underneath them. So I have both hoses on site right now. It looks like that one looks pretty decent. I know it's a little shaky, sorry. And then that one looks good. So see, we're able to see both of them and do a quick inspection. And I'm also going to inspect the one by the firewall, if we'd call that, or the back of the hatch thing. And boom. Now I can see these 2 hoses and they look pretty good. Another thing you could do is, it's not really necessary, but kind of more fun, but you could check at the intake and make sure that, there's nothing there. And looking at my downforce scoop thingy, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look like there's anything in there at all. It looks pretty clean. Now this is cool. I know you can remove your tire or try to get a closer look with a flashlight, but check this out. What I like is that you could look at your brake pad, but you get like a zoomed in, like detailed look at your brake pad. You can see how much life is on the pad, how much material, but you could also look at the rotor and pad face, which is pretty cool. And it's like really like detailed. I like that a lot. All right guys, and the 5th one, can you guess? Let's do a quick charades. What is that? Chicken? No. Butterfly. Butterfly what? Butterfly screws. The 5th one we already did a video on, but it is the most important reason why you should be buying one of these. If you haven't seen our butterfly view inspection video, I highly recommend it. But yes, this bad boy, you could just go inside there and check it out and make sure that your NSX is good to go. And I hope you found that very helpful, because I think it's pretty cool and it's fun to play with electronics. I just love it. But you can pretty much use this for anything. I mean, let your imagination go crazy. Home stuff, car stuff, anything really. Not medical stuff. All right guys, well thanks for watching. If you want to pick up one of these bad boys, I'm going to put the Amazon affiliated link in the description as always. If you pick one up, I think it'd be to your benefit. And it helped us out. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. And also, if you're watching this video right when we put it out, make sure to check out our giveaway. This is the little picture thumbnail is going to pop up here in a few seconds. But make sure you check that out so you can win yourself an AutoArt R34. All right, guys, you take care, stay safe, and we will see you soon.